S block elements. S block elements అనగా ఫస్ట్ ఏ గ్రూప్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్గా పరిగణిస్తాము. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. S block elements ane based on the differentiating electron enter into the outermost cell. That concept we can classify into blocks. S block elements in the periodic table, first A group and second A group elements. First A group elements are called alkali metals. Second A group elements are alkaline earth metal because their oxides and hydroxides are basic in nature. Here first A group elements are alkali metal. Why అనేది ఉంది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Because of their oxides form the strong alkaline when dissolved in the water. Alkaline, they form hydroxides on the reaction with the water with our strongly alkaline nature in AOH. First A group elements alkali metals. These group elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium are called alkali metals. Francium is the radioactive elements. The properties, first one electronic configuration here. Elements, atomic number, electronic configuration is there. Atomic radius, next one. Ionization enthalpy, third property. Hydration, next one, fourth one, hydration energy. Hydration energy important, you have to see here. Hydration enthalpy of alkali metals ions decrease with increasing the ion sizes. So lithium salts are mostly hydrated. Example here, lithium ClH2O because is a lithium ions has a small size, it has maximum degree of hydration. Physical properties, alkaline metals, silvery white, soft and light metals, they are readily to react with the O2 air, so they are stored in the kerosene and alkali metals, and their salts impact the characteristic color to an oxidizing flame because they heat from the flame excited states the outermost orbitals electron to higher energy levels. When the excited electron comes back to the ground state, there is emission of radiation that falls in the visible region. So metal shows the flame test here. Metals lithium crimson red, sodium yellow, potassium violet, rubidium red violet, cesium blue. Chemical properties, the alkali metals are highly reactive due to their large size and low ionization enthalpy. Reactive of their metals increases down the group. Reactivity of the metals increases down the group. Reactivity towards the air. Alkali metal react with the O2 from the oxide lithium forms to live O2. ఇక లిథియం రియాక్షన్ ఆక్సిజన్ తోటి చర్య జరిపితే ఏ విధంగానే ఉంది. సోడియం ఎక్సెస్ తోటి చర్య పెరాక్సైడ్స్, అదే మెటల్ ఆక్సిజన్ తోటి ఎక్కువ చెందితే సూపర్ ఆక్సైడ్స్ కూడా ఏర్పడుతున్నాయి. రియాక్టివిటీ టువర్డ్స్ ద వాటర్, మెటల్ వాటర్ తోటి ఫస్ట్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎం అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ వాటర్తో చర్య ఉంటే ఎంఓహెచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రాక్సైడ్స్ ఏర్పడి హైడ్రోజన్ వాయువు రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఆ పాయింట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Reactivity towards the dihydrogen. First A group element react with the hydrogen to form the MH type of hydrides. Here sodium react with the sodium hydride, potassium react with the potassium hydride. React towards the halogens. Sodium react with the halogens. Sodium react with the chlorine in ACl form and sodium chloride. Potassium react with the chlorine. Potassium chloride is the formation. Uses of alkali metal. Lithium metal used to make the useful always with the lithium plus lead to make the white metal. Bearing the or motor engines with aluminium, lithium aluminum to make aircrafts, and with magnesium to make the lithium armor plates. Next one is the sodium. Sodium used to the alloy needed to make the tetramethyl lead or organo lead compounds were earlier used anti-knocking additives to petrol. Liquid sodium metal used as coolant in the fast breeder nuclear reactor. Potassium. Potassium has vital role in biological systems. KCl used as a fertilizer. KOH used as a manufacturer of soft soaps. Cesium used in the diversing photoelectrical cells. General characteristics of compounds of alkali metals. Oxides. ఆక్సైడ్స్ ఏ విధంగా ఉపయోగపడుతున్నాయి అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంది మనకు.
13 to the 26.
Why KO2 but superoxides yellow and paramagnetic? Why KO2 is potassium superoxide paramagnetic? The superoxide O2 minus is paramagnetic because of unpaired electrons in the 2 pi molecular orbitals. Halides. Alkali metals react with the halogen to form the next type of halides. They are highly melting, colorless crystalline solids. On the moving down the group and solubility of halides increases, it means LIF has low solubility, increasing the order of solubility. Abnormal properties of lithium. Lithium has small atomic radius, ionization energy and electron negativity, hydration enthalpy, hence it is differ the either the elements, hence it shows the abnormal properties. There are combustion of in air, it forms mainly monoxides. Lithium react with oxygen to form the LiO2 oxides, monoxides. Other elements form the peroxides. Lithium react with the N2 forms the lithium oxide, lithium nitrate. Lithium Cl, lithium chloride is the deliquescent and crystallines as the hydrates lithium chloride, whereas other alkali metals chlorides do not form the hydrates. Diagonal relationship. The first element of the first group and the next element of the second group have the similar property. This type of relationship is known as diagonal relationship. The similarities between lithium and the magnesium of second group. The main points of the similarity are both lithium and magnesium are harder and lighter than the other elements in the respective groups. Both lithium and magnesium are similar size. Lithium magnesium react slowly with the water and oxides and hydroxides are much less soluble. Both lithium and magnesium are give only monoxides. Some important compounds of sodium. Sodium hydroxide, caustic soda. Preparation of NaOH is the Kastner-Keller process. Kastner-Keller process is the commercial method used for the preparation of NaOH. The brine solution of electrolyzed using the mercury as cathode and carbon as anode. Sodium metal is formed with the cathode and combined with the mercury. The mercury to form the sodium amalgam. Chlorine gas evolved at anode. Reaction ionization of NaCl. Anode oxidation reaction. Cathode reduction reaction takes place. Important compound caustic soda. If the water gives NaOH, H2 gas. Sodium amalgam treating with the water to form the sodium hydroxide, mercury and nitrogen gas. Uses of NaOH. It used in the manufacturing of soap, paper and artificial silk. It used in the petroleum refining. It used in the purification of bauxite. It used in the laboratory reagent. Sodium carbonate or icing soda, Na2CO3 10H2. Sodium carbonate is used generally preparation by the Solvay process. In this process, sodium chloride react with the ammonia bicarbonate gets the precipitated the low soluble NaHCO3. Lather is prepared by the passing the CO2 into concentrated solution of NaCl saturated with the NH3, followed by the ammonium bicarbonate are formed. The chemical equations involved ammonium H2O CO2, ammonium carbonate for ammonium bicarbonate NaCl react with the ammonium chloride. The separation of NaOH crystalline to get Na2CO3, NaHCO3 heating sodium carbonate, H2O carbonate. In this process, ammonia is refrigerated by the calcium hydroxide. Uses of Na2CO3 used in the paper, paints and textile industry. Sodium carbonate used in the softening water. Sodium carbonate used in the manufacture of goals, soap, borax and caustic soda. Sodium carbonate used an important laboratory reagent. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is made by the saturated of solution of Na2CO3 with carbon dioxide, water formation. Uses of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate used in the medicines as an antacid. Sodium bicarbonate used in the cooking as a baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate used as a fire extinguisher to liberate the CO2. NaH sodium bicarbonate used as the effervescent soft drinks లో వాడతారు. Biological importance of sodium and potassium. The biological importance of sodium and biological importance of potassium ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకునాలి. ఇక్కడ వరకు ఫస్ట్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్లకు సంబంధించినటువంటి మ్యాటర్ ఉంది. లాస్ట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాంపౌండ్ బయాలజికల్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సోడియం అండ్ పొటాషియం 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇయర్. ఎక్కడెక్కడ వాడుతున్నాం అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంది. Sodium ions precipitated the transmission of nerve signals. Sodium ions responsible for the transportation of sugar and amino acids into the cell. Sodium ions regulated the flow of water across the cell membrane. Biological importance of potassium. Potassium ions are useful activating the enzymes. Potassium ions precipitated the oxidation of glucose to produce the ATP. Potassium along with the sodium responsible for the transmission of nerve signals. This is the first A group elements, S block elements లో first A group elements కి సంబంధించినటువంటి మ్యాటర్.